Hey everyone, you want cloud level intelligence for free for your coding journey, but you have wasted too much time by watching tutorial on YouTube and you didn't find any best alternative. Everyone suggests use Ollama in your local model or someone suggests use Nvidia API key. Then you have faced similar problem like me. In today's video, I have found the best solution. From past week I have faced same problem and for now I have find the best alternative of it and then I'll plan to prepare the video and share with you. In today's video, I will share you the best alternative of it. When I am researching on these topics, I found the Minimax M2.5 versus Claude Code, which is provided by opencode. Opencode Gen provide this Minimax for free. If you can see, Minimax 2.5 is currently free. This is not like other model that you have previously found. This Minimax M2.5 Pre is available on opencode for limited time only, and if you compare Minimax M2.5 with Claude Opus, then you can think how much intelligence it is in the free price. If you can see the coding index, which is like similar, agentic index which is also like similar, and intelligence index is like similar. If you can find this much effective intelligence model in free of cost, then you are lucky. Where I will show how you can implement Minimax in opencode, how you can use it in Claude Code, and how you can use it in your VS Code. I will demonstrate you in each and every way. And if you have watched many videos on YouTube, then someone suggests use Nvidia free API key, someone suggests Ollama. This everything have some problem. Best alternative will be the Minimax. Now, without wasting time, I will demonstrate you each and every process how you can use Minimax in your system. According to your operating system, install the Claude. First steps, you need to install the Claude. Open the terminal if you are in Mac and Linux, and open the PowerShell if you are in the Windows, and just paste this command and wait until Claude Code is installed in your system. It will take little bit time to install it. Until now, we will create the account in opencode. First go to the opencode.ai. Then we also need to install this opencode. I will show you later. This opencode Gen model will be available here. Open it and log in using your Gmail account, or you can continue with GitHub as well. I am continue with Google account. Continue. From here you can get the opencode-api key. We are going to use this API key. Okay, from here you can easily create your API key. I'll give the name Claude Free and create. Use your own API key. I'll delete it before video is published. We are going to use it sometime later. If you can see, Claude installation is completed, but we need to add the path. Here it can mention that native installation exists but not in your path. Run this command. To use this Claude in terminal, we need to set this path. We just need to set this path. Just copy this here and paste it and check the version of Claude if is it perfectly installed or not. You can see latest version will be available. Now it is perfectly working, and you can also run Claude help as well. You can see everything is working perfectly. Until now we have completed to install Claude in our system. First steps will be the completed. One thing you need to know, to use Claude in your system, you also need to install the VS Code. If you have not installed VS Code yet, just download and install the VS Code. Okay, next step, we are going to install the opencode. It will not take too much time as compared to the Claude. Let's wait until it will run. After it will successfully run, we will try the Minimax in opencode. It is quite easy as compared to run Minimax in Claude or VS Code. Now, opencode is successfully installed in our system. First, I will show you how you can use Minimax in opencode. I will restart my terminal, and here I will type the opencode and just hit, then opencode is open. Now opencode is successfully open in our system. Then just click the backward slash here, type the connect, or I have find connect here, enter it, and it will also recommend it use the opencode Gen. I will select it, and here we need to provide the API key that we have generated in opencode dashboard. I'll copy it from here, okay, and I will paste it. We have successfully completed. Now you can easily use this free model in opencode. Now I am trying to use this in Minimax M2.5 is a free. Okay, I'm selecting and I'm asking hi. You can see how much fast it is responding, and I'll ask which model is it, and it can show I am powered by Minimax M2.5 is a free model. By this way, you can easily use Minimax M2.5 until it is free. If you are worried about the token and limit, if you can source the Minimax M2.5 free limit, then you can find it in the internet, which is 20 requests per minute, which is impossible to complete it. We have successfully used Minimax in opencode. Now I will also demonstrate you how you can use Minimax in the Claude. After that, I will also show you how you can use it in the VS Code as well. If you can press Ctrl and C, then you can exit from there. Again, if you want to use, then just type opencode, then opencode is available for you to code. Next step, I will show you how you can use Minimax in Claude. Again, I have mentioned this. If you want to use Claude in your local machine, then VS Code need to be installed. Code, just press this command. You can see it will show command not found, and because this code command isn't set up in my terminal. Then best way will be open the VS Code from your application folder. Then I will show you how you can set up it. Okay, open the VS Code, then just press Command Shift P on Linux and Mac and Control Shift P on Windows. Then just type the shell command. Select this install code command in path. Okay, just okay it and provide the passport. Now it will be successfully installed. Remove this, just restart your terminal. It need to be work now. Again, I'll type code. Now it is working. You can see now my Claude folder is open in my VS Code. Then inside this Claude folder, if you have already the setting.json file is available, then you didn't need to be worried about it. But if this file is not available, then just create the setting.json. Inside this setting.json, we need to paste this command to use Minimax M2.5 in Claude. Okay, now it will be perfectly working. I'll provide this code is in the video description. From there you can easily get it. Now here we need to provide the opencode-api key. Again, copy this API key that we have generated and just paste it here and save it. Now let's try to open the Claude. Okay, I'll clear it, then I'll open the Claude. You can see Claude is successfully run in our system. Do you want to dark mode or light mode? I'm okay with dark mode, and it will ask detected a custom API key in your environment. Do you want to use this API key? Yes, we are going to use the opencode-api key for Minimax. Okay, here I am selecting yes, I want to use this custom API key. Okay, just select it. Then it will ask press enter to continue. Just enter. Use Claude Code's terminal setup. Now S, again S and enter. Now again S and enter S. Now it will ask for the access, allow, everything will be perfect. And now Claude is perfectly run in our system with Minimax API key that will be provided by the opencode. We need to select the model, just type the / and model, and you can see set the AI model for Claude Code. Currently Minimax M2.5 is available, and just hit the enter and again hit the enter. Now it is perfectly working. I will ask some question, hi, and it will respond, hi, I am ready to help you. And I'll ask which model is it, which model is currently used. Let's see, and you can see the current model is Minimax M2.5 free is using. Now it will be perfectly working on the Claude Code. Now I will integrate inside the VS Code, then and I'll demonstrate using the one project. How is it work and how much awesome is it? We are going to set up it inside the VS Code. Keep in mind, to use this inside the VS Code, you also need to set up it inside your CLI. Didn't forget to use it. Just press Ctrl C 2 times. Now it will back in the terminal. Now we are going to implement it inside the VS Code. Currently, if you can see, there is nothing. I'll source the Claude Code as extension. Keep in mind, there is A multiple extension will be available with the same name. Use this verified provided by Anthropic. Just install it. This extension is available. You can see it will be available here. There will be the two way, or I know the two way. It might be the multiple way as well. If you can see, it will be available here, or if you can select any file, then it will be also be here as well. You can see it will be here as well. I will use this way, and here is the new session. From here I am going to use / and just type the model and select the switch model, and here we are going to use this custom Minimax model. This model is defaultly available here. To use this model you need to pay it. Here it can mention it. Okay, just select Minimax M2.5. now you can easily use this model inside your VS Code. And now I'm going to ask some question, and you can see it how much fast it will respond. Hi, how are you? You can see how much fast it will respond within 1 second. And I'm again asked which model is it. Model is it. You can see I'm running on Minimax M2.5 free model. Now we have implemented Minimax in our VS Code. We have implemented in our Claude Code. We have also implemented it in our open code as well. Whenever you have comfortable with it, you can use it. After that, we have completed each and every process. You can easily use Minimax in your system. Try it and explore each and every feature.